हेलो वेलकम। आज हम देखेंगे कि फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इग्नो का कोर्स कोड है CIT 001। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ए कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस which process input data and produce information as output। ओके, ये करेक्ट है, ट्रू है। ये क्यों ट्रू है? ओके, क्यों ट्रू होगा कि a computer firstly is defined as an electronic device designed to process data. It takes input data from users, processing it using its hardware and software components like the CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, and programs. Programs means a set of instructions, okay, and produces meaningful information as output. So this process aligns with the fundamental input processing output, that is IPO model of computing. Okay, that is input process output. Okay, so a funda hai. So for example, input means typing text or clicking a button. Processing means the central processing unit process the commands. Then output means the text appears on the screen or a result is displayed. Okay, let's say example, हम एक रिजल्ट देखेंगे। ओके, लेट्स से कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का रिजल्ट देखेंगे, तो कंप्यूटर में हम क्या करेंगे? ओके, कंप्यूटर में हम इनपुट देंगे, उसका रोल नंबर, देन प्रोसेसिंग होगा उसके बाद। ओके, देन आपका रिजल्ट आज आउटपुट दिखेगा। ओके, यही फंडा है। ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, control unit, that is CU, is part of central processing unit CPU। of course true। ओके, क्यों होगा? the CU, that is control unit, is a fundamental component of the central processing unit, that is CPU. It manages and directs the operations of the processor by interpreting instructions from memory and controlling the flow of data between the CPU, central processing unit, memory, and input-output devices. The control unit works alongside the ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, to execute the programs, that is a set of instructions, effectively. Okay. Question number 3. Arithmetic and logic operations are performed at option number C, that is ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Okay. The ALU, that is the arithmetic and logic unit, is a core component of the CPU that is responsible for performing arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, and logical operations, that is the AND operation or operation or not operations. Okay. Control unit, that is CU, directs the operations but does not perform the calculations. Main memory temporarily stores the data but does not perform operations. Hard disk क्या है? Stores data permanently but it is not involved in processing operations. Okay. Then question number 4. Which of the following is not part of the CPU? Main memory. Main memory is not the part of CPU. Okay. क्यों होगा? क्यों होगा? Main memory is not part of the CPU. See, the central processing unit consists of two main components, that is control unit CU and arithmetic and logic unit, that is ALU. CU can directs the execution of instructions. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. Okay. So CPU consists of CU and ALU. Main memory मेन मेमोरी नहीं होगा, क्यों? such as RAM, it is not part of the CPU. It is a separate component used to store data and instructions temporarily for processing by the CPU. Hence, the correct answer is main memory. Okay. Yes. Question number 5. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory? Okay. So, non-volatile memory कौन होगा? That is secondary memory. Non-volatile secondary memory. So, non-volatile memory retains the data even when the power is turned off. Okay. And cache memory क्या है? That is the volatile memory located within or near the CPU for high-speed data access. Then CPU memory refers to the register or cache which is volatile. Main memory is volatile. Secondary memory, that is non-volatile. Non-volatile storage such as hard disk drive, SSD, solid state drive, or optical disk retaining data without power. So secondary memory is the non-volatile memory. Okay. और बाकी सब volatile है as we discussed. Then question number 6. Which memory holds the data and program currently needs for processing? Needs for processing, that is main memory. Okay. Needs for processing, that is main memory. क्यों main memory होगा? Main memory, also known as RAM, that is random access memory, holds the data and programs currently in use by the CPU during processing. It is volatile, meaning it loses the stored information when the power is turned off. So main memory is crucial for providing fast access to the CPU during execution. Okay. So main memory provides the fast access to the CPU during execution. तो सेकेंडरी मेमोरी क्या है? और भी ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. सेकेंडरी ऑप्शन क्या होगा? इट इज द स्टोरेज लोकेशन, मे बी SSD or SSD used for long-term data storage but not for immediate processing. CPU memory typically refers to the small high-speed caches directly in or near the CPU which store frequently accessed data and instructions. Okay. Question number 7. Which of the following is true for hard disk? That is the storage device as we discussed. Okay. So hard disk storage device है. It used to store data permanently and it is non-volatile. Okay. And input device क्या है? Devices that sends the data to the computer, that is keyboard और mouse. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि input keyboard में हम करते हैं. Output device, that is the display. Okay. Let's say monitor, that is the output device. LCD LED, that is the output. हमको आउटपुट दिखा रहा है ना. ओके. मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. तो वो क्या करता है? डाटा को डिस्प्ले करता है. स्टोरेज डिवाइस क्या है? इट स्टोर द डाटा फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म एक्सेस, दैट इज हार्ड डिस्क और SSD. Yes. Without an input device, computers would not be able to, that is, get data from outside. Okay. Get data from the outside. So get data from outside, इसका आंसर होगा. Okay. Without an input device, computer would not be able to get data from outside. सही है कि नहीं? An input device allows a computer to receive the data from the external sources, that is keyboards, mouse, microphone. Okay. तो जैसे हम जूम वीडियो कॉल में बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो माइक्रोफोन क्या कर रहा है? ऑडियो को पकड़ रहा है एज एन इनपुट. So without input device, the computer would not be able to get any external data to be processed. And processed data क्या है? The computer can still process the data but it would lack new data input without an input device. And display data, its output devices like monitors are responsible for displaying the data, but this is unrelated to input devices. Okay. And question number 9. Which of the following memory loss its content will when computer is turned off? Random access memory. Okay. कंप्यूटर टर्न ऑफ हो गया ना, तो वो डाटा गया टाइम से. So random access memory, it is as it is the volatile memory, meaning it loses the all its contents when the computer is turned off. Okay. तो कंप्यूटर शट डाउन हो गया ना, तो अगर सेव नहीं करोगे तो डाटा गया पूरा. इट और उसका रिकवर नहीं हो सकता. इट टेम्पररी होल्ड्स द डाटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट आर करेंटली बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर और प्रोसेस्ड बाय द सीपीयू. रोम क्या है? रीड ओनली मेमोरी. इट इज द नॉन वोलेटाइल मेमोरी दैट रिटेन्स इट्स कंटेंट्स इवन when computer is powered off. कंप्यूटर पावर ऑफ हो गया ना, तब भी वो कंटेंट को होल्ड कर सकता है, डाटा को इरेज नहीं होगा. तो इस इज दिस नॉन वोलेटाइल मेमोरी. एंड पी रोम, दैट इज प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली मेमोरी. It is a type of ROM that can be programmed once and is the non-volatile. Okay. So correct answer is RAM. Yes. Then which of the following is not a pointing device? So mouse pointing, touch screen be pointing, light pen be pointing, that is keyboard. It is not a pointing device. Okay. Keyboards. So pointing device is used to move pointer on the screen to interact with the graphical elements. The following are pointed devices. लेट्स से हम एक आइकन को, लेट्स से ये माई कंप्यूटर खोलेंगे, तो इसको डबल क्लिक करेंगे ना, तो ये खुल गया. तो ये जो सारे के सारे चीज है आइकन, इसको GUI बोलते हैं, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. तो इसको डबल क्लिक करोगे तो तुम्हारा सारे सारे चीज खोलेगा ये. लेट्स से इस डॉक्यूमेंट को खोलोगे, डबल क्लिक करोगे तो डॉक्यूमेंट खुल गया. ओके. तो ये so mouse, it is the common pointing device for moving the pointer on the screen. बोल दिया. touch screen क्या है? A device that allows the direct interaction when the screen by touching it. मोबाइल में हम स्क्रीन टच में ये चीज करते हैं, ये माउस में हम पॉइंटिंग करते हैं, स्क्रीन टच में डायरेक्ट फिंगर से टच करो, हो गया, खुल गया वो फोल्डर. लाइट पेन क्या है? इट पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस दैट डिटेक्ट्स लाइट फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन टू इंटरेक्ट विथ इट. ओके. So keyboard is not the pointing device. Okay. It's used for typing or inputting the text, not for pointing or selecting items on the screen. Okay. तो सारे सर हो गए, मिला लेते हैं एक बार. क्वेश्चन 1 का A, yes true, 2 भी A true, 3 C, 4 C, 5 B, then 6 C, then 7 C, 8 A, 8A, then 9A and 10 D. Okay. Yes. Submit. Okay. Your answers are successfully submitted. And due date है 15 मई 2025. ओके. ये हो गया सबमिटेड. वीक 2 भी आ गया है, वीक 2 कल करेंगे. ओके. वीक 2 भी आ गया है शायद, हाँ वीक 2 आ गया है, कल करेंगे वीक 2. ओके. तो ये हो गया वीक 1. थैंक यू.